how to create a free logo for your business. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can create your very own logo for your business in less than 10 minutes. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So if you wanted to make a logo for your business but you didn't know how, well, you've come to the right place, because in this video I'm going to tell you how you can do that. So this video right here is called this website right here is called Zarla.com, and this is a pretty amazing website. Over here you can create really good looking logos. You can have minimalistic logos, over the top logos, whatever you want. So it's really good. And over here, how does Zarla work? It's basically it's really simple. You just simply answer some questions about your business and brand, and Zarla will generate creative and professional and unique looking logos for you. Then you can browse whatever you want, and then you can browse the designs, and then you can select the one you like. And how much does it cost? Zarla is a free logo maker. We do not charge anything for your logos, so you can design and preview hundreds of unique logos in different designs, fonts, colors, and stuff like that. So as you can see, it's really good. It's really fun. So over here we just have to enter in our brand name, and then we just simply click on create our logo. So let's just say that we have a brand media over here, and we call it Continuum Media, right? We just simply click on create logo, and over here it basically tells us what it is. So we are tech, all right. We are also media. Let me just media agency, actually. Yeah, we are a media agency, and we'll just simply click on next. And now we add a slogan, and over here we just add in our slogan, and it can be anything. So I'm just gonna write continue to perfection. Yeah, continue to perfection. That's it. Then just simply click on next, and then they ask you, what do you do and what do you need for a logo? So I sell a product, I offer services, I will be starting a business soon. So I offer services. And over here, would you like to customize your icon? Search for icon, choose icons for me. So yeah, I'm gonna search for icons as well. Then over here we have a bunch of different ones that you can choose from, and you can choose up to 5 different ones. So well, let's just choose the 5 ones that we like. So I like this one as well. It looks pretty nice. And I also like this one as well. Scroll down and we see that we have a bunch of more as well, but I really like these 3 right here. But we'll just select 2 more. So I'll select this one, and yeah, I'll select this one. Boom. Next, I just simply click on next, and here we go. We have a bunch of different options for us to choose from. So as you can see, they're really nice and really good looking. Like as you can see over here, this one right here, these both through immediately they're really pretty. Continuum Media, continue to perfection. I think that's a pretty good slogan, if I do say so myself. Yeah, I should have been a marketer instead, but we get what we get. So over here we have a bunch of different options, and over here let's just choose a logo that we like. So I mean, we already know, oh, this one also is pretty nice as well. It looks really good. I mean, it's a never-ending loop, so ooh, that could also be a slogan. But okay, I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's just continue with the video. We have down below, we have a bunch of more logos for us to choose from, and yeah, I think I'm good. I think this one would look really good. Okay, so this one, all right, I think looks really nice. So let me just see over here. And once you have chosen a logo, you can then move on and proceed to edit that logo as well. So over here, this is the editor, this is the logo itself. Over here you can change the colors, you can increase and change the size. All right, you can add margins and stuff like that. You can change the logo itself. So It's pretty nice. And then down below you have a bunch of different previews of your logo on different items, such as Facebook page, Instagram page. We have our own products, bags, phones, cards, and stuff like that. And then we also have our names over here. We have our slogans. We can even change that, color, background, layout as well. Ideas. If we click on ideas, we'll get a bunch of more ideas as well. But I think we're good with this one. So let's go ahead and change some things over here. So let's see how it looks like. So as you can see, I just increased the size of it. I think that looks nice. Now we're gonna go into over here into the name section, and we're gonna change the fonts for it as well. So we have Antonio regular, we have Vesper Libre medium, we have Viga regular, Sun bold, Rubik medium, Oswald medium, Poppins medium. I think Poppin looks good, right? Let's see. We can choose whichever one we want. And yeah, after you've selected your logo, you found it good, just simply click on free download over here, add your email and click on free download, and you're good to go. So over here, and just simply click on free download, and over here your logo package has been sent to your email. Boom, there you go. So I just saw the email. Let me just go ahead and show you. I just downloaded it. It just sent me the email, and now I can go ahead and see all of my logos that they have shown me, that I have made, that they've given. So over here, download your pack. As you can see over here, download logo files. We just click on the email. There we go. And over here, this is it. 3 of 47 versions are available. We can download this one, or this one, or all of them if we want. And down below we have resizable logo version, vector. We have Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever. So let's go ahead and click on get started. So over here there are 3 versions of 47 available. So let's go ahead and download this one, and boom, there we go. There we go. And this is the logo right here. This is how it looks like. As you can see, it's really nice. It's a black and white logo. I like it a lot. Now if you didn't like Zarla, then there is another website for you that you can use to create logos as well, and that website is called canva.com. Now canva.com is an amazing website where you can create pretty awesome looking logos, and it's really simple. So over here, as you can see, we have a bunch of different templates. So we have social media, personal, business, we have marketing, education, trending, and underneath business we have logos. So we just simply click on logos, and just opens up this part of the website where we have a bunch of different options to choose from. So as you can see, we have Flora, we have Green Life, Fashion, Lifeblood. We have a bunch of these options right here. We just have to click on each one of them, and we just simply download them and or edit them. And we have animated logos as well. So we click on animated logos, and then we have animated logos as well. So as you can see, this one right here, I think this would look pretty cool since I have in Continuum Media, and it just continues. So I'm just gonna click on customize this template, and now I can go ahead and customize it. So over here, as you can see, I just simply click over here and I have it. I just choose this, and then I can go ahead and click on the color as well. So this is the text color over here, and I just simply choose this over here, and I have multiple fonts. We have crop, we have cancel. Right now this is grouped together, so I can't really edit it. So I'm just simply gonna ungroup them. There we go. And now I'm just simply click over here, click on animation, then I have rise as well. So we have like this one as well that pans in front. Then we have fade, we have pop up. I can even use like animation on these as well. So let me just select these and click on effects. I have shadows as well. We have neon, but we don't want that. We want the animation. Typewrite over here, as you can see, falls in, or this one right here, or the pop effect. It looks really nice. Or this one, it just keeps on getting bigger. I really like that one as well. As you can see, we have a bunch of different effects to choose from, and it's really nice. So once you have that, just simply click over here, click on share, and click on download, and you can just choose your file that you can download. Since this is a logo and we want this to keep on continuing, so we just click on GIF and just download it, and boom, it's easy as that. and once it's downloaded, you are good to go. So that's how you create logos for your business in less than 10 minutes. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. Having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.